Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove your background from your photo. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove your background. There are many ways we can easily remove our background. Maximum time we use pen tool and it is a time killing process. But in this method you can easily remove your background from your photo. So without wasting your time, let's start this video. So for this we need to open our browser and search background remover. From here you can see Adobe site. From here it is a Adobe Express. From here we just simply click on here, and after this we need to upload our photo in this website, but you need to sign in this website, then you can easily remove your background. Unlimited. Here you can see free use forever, no credit card required. So I'm going to upload my photo in here. Now I'm going to browse my file. Now guys, you can see our background is removing. It is so easy, you can remove your background just few seconds, and then we need to click on download. It is our original image and it is our background removing image. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.